Hi, this is Dee Howard with your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. I produce Market Pulse Atlanta every month from Mapleton and Austell, Georgia, two cities in Cobb County that are about 15 miles northwest of Atlanta. I want to take this opportunity to explain the information on Market ATL so it can be more useful to you regardless if you are a buyer or a seller. Inventory of home sales. As a seller, this information tells you if the homes on the market are up or down over the last year. This helps you to gauge your competition. With fewer homes on the market, you can be more aggressive with pricing, but if there's more inventory, then your pricing should consider that. And for buyers, when you see inventory is up, this generally means sellers are more willing to negotiate than when there are fewer homes on the market. New listings. This number represents single-family homes only. When the percentage is down, buyers have fewer homes to choose from, and sellers are not as willing to give price reductions or pay closing costs. And conversely, if there is an increase in listings, this gives buyers more bargaining power. Cumulative days on market tells you how long homes are staying on the market before a home goes under contract. This number is important for sellers to be aware of. Median sales price. How do prices of homes in the area compare to last year? Are prices increasing, decreasing, or staying the same? This gauges appreciation in the marketplace. List price received. This reveals if sellers are getting their sales price. A negative change indicates buyers are not willing to pay what sellers are asking. And if the change is positive, this indicates that the market is hot and buyers are willing to pay more. YOY means year over year. MOM means month over month. I hope this explanation is helpful. You can always reach out to me at 470-419-7736 for more detailed information or explanations. Until next time.